Hello, my name is Mimi Thorisson. I am living in the Médoc. My life is really all about adventure, about love, and about family, and of course about food, which is my greatest passion. I am an author, I am a cook, I am a mother, I am a person who loves to make things, to create things. I started loving food since I was born, I think. I was born and I grew up in Hong Kong, but every summer we would go for 3 months in the south of France, where my mother is from. So really a beautiful part of France called Moissac, to be exact. And going there, I just was so happy because my grandmother and my aunt are the best cooks in the world. They inspired me so much. All that warmth in the kitchen, teaching me everything. And I think really that's what made me develop this huge fascination for cooking like that. Just with such ease and grace and such happiness. If you'd ask me what is food in my life, food for me is love. The word love comes a lot because when I cook, I love. I have beautiful memories of great taste, of things that are delicious. So I want to share that. So that's what it is for me. It's about love, about family, about gathering, and it's my form of happiness. It's a little bit like a butterfly life. It's a short span. And when you see clear, you can focus on what really inspires you the most. I believe in karma, in history, in signs in life that, give you these little clues and you just have to catch them. I think that the real art of life is creating your own universe. I just love being surrounded by all this magic around me, whether it's fruits and vegetables, old objects, new objects, colors, just beautiful things that make my environment exactly how I want it to be.